Guys, welcome to Kelo TV, where we guide how to create a game, how to create an application, how to create a website, not only to show you how to create, but to show you how to make money with the game, with the app, also with the website. So if you're new, consider subscribing for more videos updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a wallet, a mobile wallet app for an app for transfer, for withdrawal app. So here you can see this is all the structure of the code. In all these files are all the code that has been generated, has been created. So here, if I show you here, you're going to see how the design look like through the code I show you here. So that is what makes this web app look like this. So make sure you stay tuned to the end. You may be wondering if you can create something like this. The answer is yes. You can create a big project web app for mobile transfer this way. So here you can see I have already logged into the account, and here you can see where I can add uh, where I can fund my wallet. So if you click on, you can see all what's going to display. Someone can send you money, you can also withdraw, you can send to someone. Here you can put the person's account number. Example, you can put somebody's account number, and here you can see, here you can put the amount you want to send to the person. You can see 50,000. Here you make the transfer. Now here the app is asking you for your password, your PIN. Okay, so here let me try and put any PIN here. Let me try and put a PIN. Okay, let me try another way. Okay, so here pay bill. Let me try. You can see the money, and here let me put 270, and let me, okay, because I open it, I think. Here you can see my wallet refund. So if you check here, you can see the pay bills. So this is a good project where you can actually take your time to do that if you're serious about this, because in all this you're going to be making commissions from all these payments. Here you buy airtime. As the web developer, you're going to also be making money from this web app. Okay, because electricity. So this app work with so many API keys for you to make money. Here you can see the bill payment. So here you can see how I take my time to come up with this. And don't forget, with this web app you need also to host this code as well, so that the app will be live. Okay, so here you can see all the sections by sections. Here this is the home section. That is where you're going to see if I review this way and I log out from the app. Here log out, so you're going to see welcome back, log into Kelo account. So this is where this one is coming from. This is the design. You can see it here where it says welcome back to Kelo. So this is how this how important it is to create something like this, so that you'll be sleeping and while people are making transactions and you're making your money from your app. Okay, so that is also in Nigeria, where you have OPay, you have other several options. So the same thing in any country where you are, you can implement this, and make sure you work with the law of the government in your country, because this is not an is a legal app where transaction is being made, and you need compliance rules and regulations of that particular country where you're watching this video from. Okay, so as you can see, if you click on sign up, it's going to ask you to put your name, your email address, your phone number, your password, and you click create, and your account will be created successfully. And for me, I have already have my own account. Okay, so let me log in. So you can see I have logged in successfully. The reason why I don't want to show you the login, YouTube doesn't want us to be showing all the personal information. So here you can see top up. So we go to pay bills. That is the same what I've shown you. You go to electricity. It's going to ask you put the meter number, and you can see how beautiful it is to show you this design. And in this design you can do so many things. You can see, let me go to internet. I'm going to ask you to put the number you're trying to recharge and how much data you need. So maybe something like this, and going to do the same thing, and you click on it. It's going to ask you for your password, and also you want to refund your wallet for betting as well. You can also put the ID of your betting site, and here you can put the amount. So this is how beautiful this web app is, and you can see your account information, your security, your notification. All your notification will be shown here, and here you can see help center. So this is how beautiful this web app is, this mobile transfer app, you can see. So if you have any question, please ask. I will be here to guide you through, put you through. If you want to make this project a real project, I will guide you or give you a complete prompt, which you have to take your time and read them and understand each of the structure of the prompt. If you need, let me know so that I will give you the big prompt, and the prompt is long, which is going to make you understand a lot of things about this web app. So you need to learn a lot, because with this channel you'll be able to create a big project with times goes on, as you are starting learning little by little, and you keep growing, while I will be here to host some of my real projects with you guys. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any question, as I said, please ask, and I will be here to guide you all. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.